In this folder, there are some activities that are related to animal and plant adaptations. So this is a series of activities that will guide you through understanding how plants and animals adapt to their environments. Right now you're watching the teacher directions video, and when you're done with this video, I'd like you to watch the Crash Course in Biology Kids Edition about adaptations, and it'll give you a better understanding of how plants and animals have come to adapt to their environment with different physical features that match that environment. The first folder is called Read It. You will read about 5 different organisms. We've got a gecko, the giraffe there, an earthworm, an elephant, and an agave plant. And you're going to determine how these organisms are suited for the environments that they're in. You're going to have a small write-up about each, and then you will fill out the activity sheet that goes with the Read It about how they are adapted. The second folder is Create It. You are going to take an animal, the camel here, that normally belongs in a hot desert environment, and you're going to try and adapt it to survive in an Arctic climate. You'll get a write-up about the camel, you'll get a write-up about the Arctic. What adaptations will you make to make this camel adapted to survive in the Arctic? Tech It will have you watching 2 animated videos about both plant and animal adaptations and what you've learned from those 2 videos. Match It is the 4th folder, and you are going to look at the feet of 4 different organisms, a camel, polar bear, gecko, and duck, and you will explain why each foot is adapted perfectly for that animal's environment. Be sure to look at the 4 environment pictures as well and describe what is in that environment that best is matched for the feet of these organisms. And finally, with Explain It, the last folder that you're going to use today, you're going to take a look at these 2 big fellas, and you are going to compare and contrast their similarities and differences using a Venn diagram. In one Venn diagram, you're going to put polar bear above it, and the other you're going to put black bear above it, and then you're going to take the information that is on the pages and you're going to decide where it goes. Does it belong with the black bear, polar bear, or does it belong in the middle? And then try and come up with some similarities and differences on your own. So there you have the 5 folders of what to expect for this animal and plant adaptation assignment and activity. You'll have a few days to get this done. Work at your own pace. I want to see how well you do at working at your own pace. Do you need extra time? Well, take 2 days to do it. Possibly 3, but no more than that. So you have my instruction video here. Inside each folder, you will also have another video that will help explain each assignment in a little bit more depth. All right, enjoy learning a little bit about animal and plant adaptations.